How to factory reset your ASUS laptop or computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your ASUS laptop or computer. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open the My ASUS application. If you don't have this application, you can get it from either the web or using the Microsoft Store. So head on to Microsoft Store, and once the Microsoft Store launches, simply search for My ASUS. And once you will search for that, you will see the MyASUS application right here. And you can simply install it, this one, which this is the official MyASUS application. And once this application gets installed, you can simply launch it and you will see an interface like this, which will basically give you an overview of your computer. Now from here, select the system diagnosis, and under the system diagnosis, you can see all of these options. From here, click onto diagnostic history, and within the diagnostic history, you can see this option of reset my PC. From here, simply click onto this Get Started button and then let the process happen, and it will successfully reset your ASUS PC. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.